everybody! It's our last night here in Oasis Bali and we are going to do some business today. So we started out early. We're going to the bank to get some information updated, and we are also going to the Chinatown in Manila because T needs some herbs and we're just gonna check it out. We actually don't know where exactly we're going, so we're just gonna play it by guessing game. And then after that we are going to we're headed to the dentist, and then we're gonna pick up my jeans that I brought to the tailor yesterday. So we have at least 4 activities today, and it's already a busy day. Look at that traffic. There's Steve taking a video of the traffic. If you are not really used to the traffic in Manila, it can actually raise your anxiety levels. But what's amazing here in Manila is, despite the lack of traffic lights, everybody can navigate peacefully. And look at all this motorcyclists.
You hardly hear any horns blow.
Yes, you hardly hear. That's correct. And everybody's just peacefully navigating. This is the busy streets. But I told them I am a beginner in driving, so I don't think I'll be able to drive here. I'm a beginner. I still consider myself a beginner driver in the US, so I don't think I'll brave driving here. This really causes anxiety. And no traffic lights, but it's truly amazing. They're so peaceful. No cussing on the road. There's little Tashi vlogs.
Hello.
He's busy playing his games. There's Mommy Aaron's of the Mommy Aaron's homemade food. And there's Daddy Mar, our designated driver today. And there's Uncle T filming. So we'll be filming more of this. We just hit the traffic. I was out around like 15 minutes before 5 o'clock this morning, and the streets were already not really full, but there's plenty of drivers already, plenty of cars out and about. O, ganun din ang pag-operate ka. Kung gusto mo diretso na, ganun din. Ito yung switch. Mamaya ka mag-vlog. Mamaya pag naglalakad tayo, taasan na lang natin. Mas maganda ang DJI sa o 3 feet yan, kagaya niya ng isa 360 niya. This used to be the way, babe, where I go to the military camp. Yeah, we have to fight traffic here every day. So close, isn't it?
Yeah. I could have shook his hand.
Yeah. Most Filipinos, they say when they are here in the US, I mean when they visit the Philippines, most of them cannot really drive here. Scott was able to drive here though. Diba nag-drive si Scott dito?
In Manila?
Yes, he drove in Manila. He drove here. He drove the jeep going to Barbara. Eh, tsaka yung nag-drive siya Bicol. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, look at this, oh. Ang dami ng buildings, oh. You will come. No, he posted it already.
There's some beeping.
Right now. But what's this? The dash cam. Nasa cellphone. video taking is prohibited.
Oh.
Okay.
Mm.
So, do they have a bike lane here? Wala, no?
Wala.
No bike lane?
Oh no, they don't.
No. They just created that.
Just the gutter there.
Yeah. Like,
Dito sa Manila, pagalingan ng
I'm so
pagdadrive.
cold in this car. Lamig talaga dito sa Reno.
Hi guys, we're in Ali Mall, Ali Mall Cubao. With my aunt and uncle. Hello uncle, and tita Ne. Hi. Di ba bawal mag-video dito? Ay, pwede. Hindi, hinaharang tayo dito dati.
Sino mo si Sarah?
They want classic.
Sa SM yun.
Classic savory. Ha? Saan ba tayo? Di ba dito tayo hinarang?
Isitan recto yun.
Isitan recto ba yun?
Animal na, di ba?
Uy, sila ang kulte.
Animal.
Sa dito daw mas mura. So
We eat in a classic sour.
So this is the place where I usually eat lunch during No. This is where you and Aline met up. Tokyo.
Nokia pa.
No, the coffee store is another place. And then I used to eat lunch there.
Only fries. Uy, only fries. Uy, ma-only fries. Only fries. Only fries. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, 11. 19, 11:20.
There used to be a comic alley here, but they closed the comic alley.
Di ba meron ng comic alley dito?
It used to be the comic alley here, right?
Pero dito pa kayo kumain? University.
Ikaw.
Nakilala ka mga ba? Diba? Tama tayo.
Anything daw na pwede niya makain ng kamay.
Meron sa ano? Sa
Papay. Popoy.
Pag nagpapais ka na daw ba?
Apo.
Gusto mo ako?
May tender. May tinder. Tsaka, tender ba yun? And chicken tender.
Wala na, dati ito yun. What do you think you want to eat? There's the
Oh, ito na yung Barrio Fiesta.
Ay, kausapin ka lang.
battery ako, Erin. Erin, may battery ako dyan. Yung magnet. They have the dinuguan, the plastic.
Wala tong stand dito, ne?
Hmm?
Walang stand.
Meron nandun sa bahay. Hindi ko din alam. Ito pilihan ng lahat ng kailangan mo sa GoPro.
Pwede din itong armor.
Meron din. Meron din
Na?
Ha?
Eh, yung ganitong ano.
Gusto mo ng fried chicken dito? They have fried chicken. Uy, may bulalo steak. Gusto mo pa ng sabaw?
Kari-kari. Ano ba?
This bistec Tagalog. This is the one I...
Baliktad. Ano ba yan?
Ay, baso mo, be. Be.
Hi guys. Nakain na po kami.
Banana hams.
Init.
But you eat it with bagoong. The shrimp paste.
Oh, bagoong.
Yes.
This is really good.
Oh, really? You want another one? Take home. Hi guys, I'm eating kare-kare. Uncle T is eating kilawin tanige.
Kilawin tanige.
Ano pa yung mukha mo? Ito? Hindi ko alam.
Mapakipatay nga, hindi ko mapatay.
Saan pinapatay?
Sa taas, kagaya ng GoPro.
Dito.
Hindi mo man naman pinatay. Huwag mo kasi. Hi guys, we're done eating.
Hi guys.
Is the food good? Masarap ba yung pagkain?
We're waiting for the dessert.
Dessert? Meron pang dessert?
Sige daw, bigyan mo daw siya. Basta namin yung pulis.
May dessert pa?
Si Uncle Tina ang lang.
Ah, okay. Hi guys, so we're done eating here in Barrio Fiesta.
Thank you, Kuya. Salamat po. Ma'am, salamat po.
Ilang words ba yun?
Anong tatak?
Hello, Uncle T. Oh. Bawal ba yung Hello.
Anong tatak? Anong tatak? Sparklight. Sparklight.
Sparklight?
Tapos ano yun? Ano yun? LED. Sige ate, busog kami ate. Ate, busog kami ate.
Kaya,
Anong kinain niyo?
Dad, ano ba tayo? Ma. Dito na
Parang ano, papasok ko. Tsaka mo na lang ang hirapan niyo. Maraming sabi niyo yung sunod-sunod dyan. Baka makatama ka ba ba?
Uncle T here. Uncle T here lang sila. Ikaw sa ilalim na.
Sabihin ko biglaan lang. Sabihin ko kay ate, biglaan lang.
Ang biglang lumiit tayo.
Dito ka lang.
Bakit?
Uy, Nini. Ay, yung pera ko bibili akong bag.
Tita Ne, pwede po sumama kay Dad.
Oh, ingatan mo
Kasi ganda lang.
Dad! Tingin agad ng phone. Guys, I'm using DJI GoPro siya, pero iba siya, ginaya lang si GoPro.
Dito meron na rin.
Sasama na ako. Asa sila? Ha? Asan ba sila?
Hi.
Kabili na po kami.
Ha? Oh,
Nakabili
you
na.
already have.
Cosplay. Yung uncle. Hey, Uncle T.
Hindi ba nakakatawa?
There's a cosplayer.
Yeah. So,
Guys, pauwi na po kami. We did not go on Chinatown, Binondo, because due to the traffic.
Nakuha nyo yan yung hotdog minsan.
We're in SM Marikina.
Ha?
how far is it?
Bulacan from here is almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours, no?
Where are you?
Pagdaan traffic.
Saan ba tayo doon?
You say ticket center.
Ha?
What is your ticket?
I don't know. It's saying
Did you sign up?
in the last tickets that you card. Wait to automatically guide you based on your city to go.
Always.
I don't know what they
Bali. This is the Santolan Station train station. This is where
Lechon manok pa, diba?
Ate
Isda pa.
goes
Kinain niyo na
to
isda?
school.
Tulingan. Ay,
to her dorm. Tita Ne, sa susunod ako, hindi na tayo sa Bali.
Hindi na, dun na.
Sa kabila. Saan na? Dun. Ang layo Sabi sa Merienda, residence.
Merienda?
Ay, Merienda. Merienda residence.
Ano?
Merienda residence pala. Kala ko Merienda.
Merced? Ano ba?
Mercedes. boulevard. Oh, sising.
Oh my gosh, this
Singit pa more.
that was bad.
This is our condo. We're in building 3.
Pupunta pang Bulacan.
Pagbalik na.
Pinapilay po.
Oh, hindi na tayo nakilala.
Gusto kong balikan yung yung fishball ba?
Ay, kagabi nga, niyayaya ko si gabi.
Tulog na ako.
Wala naman.
Lagi na ako tulog. Hindi na ako nakabali ng tulog dito.
Hindi ko nagawa.
Laging kanina, kagabi na
Ano
tulog na
ginagawa
ako.
ko pag isi ka alas 2?
Tinititigan ko lang yung laptop ko. Tatamad ako hindi na ako nag-login.
Yes, magko-conjuring to na.
Conjuring, the conjuring. Mas gusto mo mag-park dito, Ma?